Hi, I'm Scott, founder of Coastal Conversions here in Hampstead, Maryland, and today we're going to be giving you a full tour of one of our latest builds, which is on a Sprinter 170 Extended high roof. We're going to first check out some of the outside features, and then we'll take you on the inside to show you everything. So on the front, we added a bumper and bull bar from Illuminous, as well as the winch. We also included LED lighting in the front. We also did an LED light bar on the roof deck, as well as all around, front, sides, and the back. So we upgraded the suspension and installed a lift kit from Van Compass, as well as upgraded the rims and tires from Ultra Motorsports. We also included an electrical awning from Fiamma that includes LED lighting. So on the back of the van, we have the ladder from Illuminous and tire mount combo, as well as the roof deck from Illuminous. Now let's show you the inside. Starting on the outside, we have our happy hour table with a convenient bottle opener for the beverage of your choice. We also have a bug net system. It makes it easy for you to come in and outside of the van, keep the bugs out. The nice feature about this is it has this opening so you can still utilize the happy hour table while you're outside. So first thing you should notice, I'm 6'4", so I make this van look very small. Let's see what the cameraman looks like when he's in here. See, he's got a lot more headroom. So as you walk in, we have a flip-up seat from Friedman, which is nice because it gives you more space to utilize when the seat's not being used. And to use the seat, just flip it down. Both passenger and driver seats swivel. We also incorporated this nice table for the back passenger to use as well. You have your outlet USB here. This client wanted us to incorporate a television in this van. We wanted to do so in a way that it would be hidden. So we made this completely custom cabinet system. The TV is hidden back here, pulls out, flips down. So now you can utilize this outside while you're laying in bed in the back, or this passenger can utilize it while he's sitting down. We included this nice little custom bookshelf here. We painted the same color of the walls just to kind of break things up a little bit. Moving on back, since this client is going to be living in his van full time, we wanted to add a nice refrigerator and freezer so he wouldn't have to go grocery shopping all the time. So we installed this beautiful isotherm freezer and refrigerator. We also included this nice microwave inside this cabinet. So moving on back, we have all the custom cabinets that we make in our shop. So moving on to the galley, we have this beautiful thin-scape countertop with the countertop extension. You have your black quartz sink, your faucet that you can use outside. We have the 2-burner induction stovetop. We also have our Max Air Fan Deluxe, which is a standard on all of our builds. It's a fan and exhaust system. The reason we like the Max Air Fan the most is even if it's raining outside, from its design, you'll still be able to use it without getting rain inside your van. Moving on back to the shower. So again, since our client's going to be living full time in his van, we want to incorporate a beautiful shower. The shower head, I believe, has 5 settings on it. It has this pause button, which will help our client conserve his water. But where's the toilet, you ask? So we have the toilet installed underneath the bed on a custom slide out we built. We have this nice feature where the top piece folds down, so it's easier, so it gives you more leg room. We also have a nice cushion that, believe it or not, this is a great seat to relax and watch TV. So up front, we have our control panel. So this van is powered by RedArc off of Battleborn batteries. This RedArc system will tell you everything you need to know about your solar, your amps, the watts that's being used. You can also control features in your van from an app on your phone. So if I wanted to turn on my lights, or if I wanted to empty out my gray water tanks, all I have to do is hit a button on a phone. We have our lighting on 2 separate zones. That way, the person in the back can still have the lights off, and the person up front can have their lights on. All of our lights are on dimmers. We have lights underneath the cabinets, as well as toe kick lighting. So in the back here, you have your queen size custom mattress. It's custom to the point that it actually fits around the pillars in the back. Right here, you have your control systems for the lighting, as well as your heat. This is a fuel-fired heater from Webasto. So this ties into the van's diesel system. You can set this on a thermostat. So if you're going for a hike in the middle of the winter, You can keep this on. The van does not have to be running, so when you come back from your hike, the van will be nice and toasty and warm for you. You have your USB port here, as well as an outlet. Plenty of upper cabinet storage space on both sides, as well as your air conditioner here. You have reading lights on both sides in the back. So moving on to the garage area. So back here you have an outlet, your lighting for your garage so you can see everything. All the electrical components are on the left-hand side here, all encased in this box. You have your 120 electronic panel here. This is the master switch to turn the entire van system on and off. The 540 amp hours of battle-borne batteries will be able to be charged in 3 separate ways. One from 360 watts of solar panels from Zamp that we have on the roof. Another is a DC to DC charger, which charges the batteries while the van is driving. And then we also have a shore power plug. So if you want to plug into your garage or a campsite, you have this 30 amp shore power plug from Furrion. Over here, you have your exterior shower hookup. If the client wants to hose down something or take a shower outside, that's easy to do. We also have a 30-gallon fresh water tank enclosed in here, so everything's kind of out of sight, nice and clean. We have the nice cargo net, hooks. We also have a 500-pound rated slide, so you can easily access all your gear. The hot water heater is enclosed behind that bulkhead, as well as the Webasto heater. We have a nice storage bag from Rolef, trying to utilize all the space that you can in these vans. We also have these screened-in windows on both the driver and passenger side rear door. So same as the sliding door, we have this nice bug net system. A good feature about that is if you still want to access the garage while keeping the bugs out, simply roll this up. So to fill up your fresh water tank, we have that on an exterior fill here, which is city fill and gravity. As I mentioned earlier, we have a roof deck from Illuminous. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in your very own custom van conversion, reach out to us on our website at coastalconversions.com. And please like, follow, and share. Cheers.